Hello everyone, we are Team Digigyan and our problem statement is ID 25253, AI-based analysis and performance indicators for academic institution approval processes at UGC and AICTE. Our theme is smart education and our project aims to revolutionize how academic approvals and accreditations are handled in India using artificial intelligence. Idea title and proposed solution. The current approval process at UGC and AICTE requires repetitive manual checks of historical data, reports, and performance metrics submitted by thousands of colleges every year. Our idea, Digigyan AI, is an AI-powered institutional analysis and compliance assistant that automates this entire review process. It's a centralized platform where all institutional data, academic, research, administrative, and performance is automatically ingested, validated, and analyzed using AI and machine learning. The system generates instant performance reports on key metrics, AI-based summaries for quick evaluation, and predictive indicators that forecast how likely an institution is to meet approval criteria. This not only eliminates repetitive manual work, but also ensures faster, fairer, and more transparent decision-making. Innovation and uniqueness. What makes our solution unique? First, we've built an AI Document Sufficiency Score DSS. This instantly tells officials if an institution's uploaded documents are complete or missing key sections. For example, a college may show 92% completeness, saving reviewers hours of manual checking. Second, the system introduces a Predictive Approval Readiness Index, ARI, a score that forecasts the likelihood of approval based on historical data and current performance. Third, Digigyan AI creates a holistic institutional profile by connecting data from multiple government sources like NIRF, NAAC, and NBA. This gives officials a 360-degree view of an institution in one place. So instead of going through hundreds of PDF files, reviewers get a single AI dashboard that explains everything in plain language. Slide 3. Technical approach. Let's talk about how it works technically. Our system is built with a modern AI-first architecture. Backend, Python using Flask or Django for stable APIs. Front-end, React.js for an interactive web dashboard. AI/ML, scikit-learn and TensorFlow for prediction models. NLP, NLTK, and SPACY to extract and understand information from reports and PDFs. OCR, OpenCV and Tesseract to read scanned documents. Database, PostgreSQL for structured data and MongoDB for documents. Deployment, containerized with Docker and hosted on AWS or Azure for scalability. The implementation flow is simple but powerful. Institutions upload their documents and data. AI extracts all relevant text and numbers. ML models evaluate performance across 7 key indicators, such as curriculum, research, infrastructure, governance, and more. The system generates scores, risk alerts, and summaries for reviewers. Officials see all insights instantly on their dashboards. Essentially, it's a data-to-decision pipeline powered by AI, feasibility, challenges, and mitigation. Our approach is technically, operationally, and economically feasible. Technical feasibility. All the tools we use are open source, stable, and widely used, meaning low cost and high reliability. Operational feasibility. It easily integrates into the existing UGC and AICTE online systems, so there's no need for big infrastructure changes. Data feasibility. We can use publicly available datasets from NIRF, AISHE, and institutional records to train the AI models. Now, let's talk about challenges. Data heterogeneity. Documents come in all kinds of formats and qualities. Our solution uses pre-processing and OCR standardization to handle this. Model interpretability. AI decisions must be understandable to officials. We use explainable AI x AI frameworks like LIME and SHAP to show why a certain score or flag was given. Data security. Institutional data is sensitive. We ensure end-to-end encryption, role-based access, and regular audits following government security guidelines. By addressing these challenges early, we make our system both trustworthy and ready for deployment. Impact and benefits. Now let's look at the real-world impact. For UGC and AICTE, DigiGyan AI will reduce the approval timeline from months to just a few weeks. It frees up expert officials from repetitive work, allowing them to focus on real evaluation and policy making. For institutions, it provides real-time compliance feedback and readiness scores, helping them fix gaps before submission. For students and the public, it promotes transparency, since rankings and approvals become more data-driven and consistent. And there's a wider impact too. Economic, huge cost savings, thousands of manual hours replaced by automation. Governance, improves objectivity and consistency across approvals. Efficiency, enables faster adoption of reforms and educational programs. Environmental, encourages paperless submissions, reducing physical documentation and carbon footprint. In short, DigiGyan AI makes the entire approval system faster, fairer, and future-ready. Research and references. Our research is grounded in published academic work and real government frameworks. We analyzed 5 major research papers from IEEE, Springer, Elsevier, and IJEME that focus on AI in higher education evaluation. Each of these papers inspired a feature in DigiGyan AI, but we've improved them by addressing their gaps. For example, IEEE's paper proposed using ML for quality assessment. We enhanced it by adding real-time data sync. Springer's work predicted accreditation outcomes. We extended that idea to also give actionable improvement suggestions. Elsevier's NLP-based validation system didn't measure completeness. Ours does via the document sufficiency score. The Journal of Educational Technology discussed dashboards. We made them predictive with our Approval Readiness Index. IJEME studied AI readiness. We turned it into measurable, quantifiable scores linked directly to official key indicators. We also referenced UGC and AICTE handbooks, NIRF ranking frameworks, and AICTE APIS to ensure complete alignment with real-world standards. To summarize, DigiGyan AI is not just an idea. It's a scalable, secure, and smart solution to transform how academic approvals happen in India. By combining AI, data science, and automation, we're making the approval process transparent, efficient, and future-proof. Thank you, judges and mentors, for your time and attention. We are Team DigiGyan, and we're ready to build India's next-generation educational governance system. Instant performance scoring with the Readiness Index. Instead of manual assessment, our proprietary Readiness Index provides an immediate, data-backed score for every institution. This allows officers to instantly identify high performers and at-risk institutions at a single glance, right from the main directory. AI-generated institutional summaries, this is the core of our solution. The system automatically analyzes years of historical data, rankings, and performance metrics to generate concise key findings. It delivers clear summaries of an institution's strengths, areas for improvement, and recommendations,